my name is Raman. I'm the face behind Unforgettable Decor. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing my first Dollarama haul, or my first video where I'm talking at all. Before I get started, I just want to point out that I have no idea what I'm going to do with these things yet. They were just really creative things that I thought, I don't know when it's going to be the next time I'm going to go to Dollarama. With COVID and all, I'm rarely going. So I just wanted to take the opportunity and get as many things as I could. And after maybe this video is actually my first opportunity to finally sit down and actually look at the stuff that I got properly too. I was kind of in a Dollarama high and just grabbing a whole bunch of things. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I will hopefully think of something great to show you guys in the next couple of weeks. So the first thing is these paper roses. So these are mini ones. They're really small and they do have a little tie in the back, so you can tie them to something or you can hot glue them. I'm probably going to use hot glue. So these were $2. Dollarama, obviously nothing is $1 anymore, so everything is going to be at least $2. And I did get more as well. So these ones are a bit bigger in size, but they're super cute. They actually look like just silk flowers. I didn't even realize they were paper flowers at the beginning until I looked at them after again. And these are actually $1.25, so these ones are more expensive than these ones, but these are super cute. I actually got them in dark pink, and I do have a light pink as well, so super cute. I think like if I mix these two combinations, they'll look really good with each other, so I'm excited to use these as well. And with Easter coming around the corner, there was so much Easter stuff at Dollarama that I just couldn't help it. I felt like I should make something for Easter, so I bought a whole bunch of things. The first thing I got was these yellow feathers, and these were $1.25. So these are really cute to maybe put underneath something, or you know, fill it with in a bowl or a basket with Easter eggs. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I really loved the yellow color, so I wanted to get it. And these are little mini egg foams, and these were $1.25 each, and they're so cute, and you get so many of them, and they had so many colors available. I honestly felt like just buying every color because it would look so good together, but I bought a purple and I bought a blue, and they have a little bit of glitter on them, so they're really cute. Either it's gonna work out really well, or I'm just gonna have glitter all over the place after this, so stay tuned. And then there was this Easter kit, and I felt like instead of just buying a bunch of different things, I thought this was good. It has like 2 chicks, rabbits, you know, carrots, so I had a bunch of things in here, so I thought it would be better to just get that in one go. So this one was $3, and I would probably use this along with all the other Easter stuff. And I wonder if I got any more Easter stuff. I don't think so. I think that's it. I thought I got a lot more Easter stuff, so I have an itch to go back. I found this white rope. This was also $1.25. Oh, so now that I'm actually looking at it, a lot of things are $1.25, but I guess it all adds up. So normally I find the brown or beige color rope, and I never see the white rope. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going to get the white rope. So this one, and it seems like it's a pretty good size. It's 29 feet, so I think I can use quite a lot of this. And these ones, we always see this beige color everywhere, and I have so much of it, but I don't have black, and I honestly mainly bought this one for the black just because I never see it available anywhere. And again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but hopefully the first thing is I'm gonna try to use the black one. And this one was $1.50, so I do think I'll be able to use a lot of this as well. And I have no idea what the length is. I think it's 9.5 feet or meters. And this one is felt leaves. Usually I see bigger ones, and I thought these were really cute. They have some really tiny ones in there. So I thought this was super cute. This was also $1.25. And then I got some wooden stuff. So I got these wood shapes. It comes with 6 pieces. And I love painting, so I was like, either way, whether I end up using them or not, I will end up painting them and doing something with them. But I do think I will definitely use them for some type of decor. But they were super cute. And then Dollarama has a lot of wood pieces that you can paint. I recently got a bird house, an outside birdhouse for my nephew to paint, so that will be fun. But this I got, I just thought it was really cute. I think I have an idea for it, but I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it yet. And it does have these little clips here so you can hang pictures or maybe a sign. So I think I'm going to make something for an entrance table for this. So, and again, I'm excited to paint this as well. And then I got these styrofoam balls. How many are there in here? There are 10 pieces. It was $1.25. So there's a lot we could do with styrofoam balls. Like, so for this, it was just kind of a necessity. I could use it in my other everyday decor as well. So these ones are kind of just like stocking up. These are really handy. And then I found this beautiful, I hope everyone can see it, that's really, really pretty print. So I really wanted to get this because I always look out for really nice ribbons at Dollarama, but I don't end up actually liking anything. So this one I really liked, and this one was $1.25 as well. So still a lot of things $1.25. I was wrong. I guess because my bill was so high, I was expecting it to be more. Dollarama has so many bridesmaids or like bridal, I should say bridal. They have a lot of bridal and batch stuff. So I thought, you know, I feel like everybody's really used to buying the really expensive stuff. So I thought there's so many options at Dollarama. I really wanted to do something for the 2021 brides and give them some ideas of what they can do with everyday, easy, affordable things. So I did buy some of their stuff from their bridal section. So I got these bracelets, and there's 4 in them for $1.50. There's the bride and then the 3 bridesmaids, or it says Team Bride. So I thought this was really cute. I did not get a bride sash, but I got a Team Bride sash, and this one was $1.50. So again, really affordable. I think like at Party City, you would get a sash for minimum, I want to say $5, but I feel like it would be more than $5, and that's Canadian. And then these buttons as well. These are things that are also at Party City, but they're a lot more expensive at Party City. And now Dollarama just has all these things available there as well. So this is also $1.25. So 6 pins, you know, 4 for the Team Bride and then 1 for the bride. This is really, really cute and really pretty. Hope everyone can see. And then I love these glasses. They say Team Bride. Again, they're $2.50, these ones. Okay, so this is like the first item that's been more than $1.50, I think. And I'm surprised it's these glasses. This one actually I feel like has a dent in it. But still really cool. And Dollarama has these t-shirts now, so you can get one that says Bride, that's white. I got the black one that says I Do Crew. So I feel like for any of my friends that are going to be getting married in the future, I'm definitely going to use a lot of this stuff. And I got this pouch. It says Life is Magical. It's super, super cute. So this one was $3. I love the color, and I feel like it's can be used for so many different things. It can be used for makeup or just traveling, keeping stuff. So this is really useful as well. So I got that. I got this tray. It's actually a food tray, if you can actually see, but it was just such a pretty pink color, and this one was $3.50, and it's so nice, and I feel like it can be used in so many ways as well as a gift tray. You know, even if you were to basically transform this and put flowers around it and make it something to put on the entrance table or for the guests. So I really like this tray. Don't know, I got actually a lot of, not trays, but like, yeah, trays and baskets as well. So I'm just gonna have a bunch of them at the end. So this one is a bigger one, but I really like this. And this one was $4, but it's really, really nice. Again, it can be used for multi-purposes. I'm gonna use it for decor or a decor related item myself, but it can be used for any household item as well. So this one is just really nice, and it's a really nice style. My voice was echoing in that one. And then I got this printed jute roll. Again, it's like the same material as a jute roll, but it has a print on it. And this one is really large. I've never actually bought one that's this large before. I usually get like the biggest roll is this wide. So again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'm probably gonna have to cut it up at some point to use it. And this one is $3, and it is, I think it's 14 inches long, but that sounds wrong, so I think that is wrong. Oh, and I got more paper roses. So I was thinking, I'm like, I don't remember getting only 3, so I did get some more in white, so I got more paper roses. And the next thing is these gold letters. I really wish Dollarama had rose gold letters. Dollarama, get rose gold letters. But these gold ones will do for now. So I do have an idea of what I'm going to do with them soon to come. And the next one is these foam rings. So it comes with 3 rings. I would use these for so many different things I could already think of. So these ones are really useful, and for 3 sizes, if you're doing multiple things or centerpieces or just items for the entrance table or just even just house decor, these are really, really great to use. And these ones were $2.50. And this one, I just loved this. This is a pineapple tray, and although it's plastic, it's really thick and heavy and hard, and I just thought it was like still really good quality. And let me see if it's actually do not use with hot foods. It does not say what the material is, but it just feels like really hard plastic, but it was so cute and it's such good quality. I feel like even if I don't end up using this for decor, I would just have this in my house to like put food on it or put fruits or something on it. So it's really cute. I loved this, and I didn't know if I would ever see it again, and I didn't want to lose out on the opportunity. I also got this clear tray. It has a really cool design on it, and it can look very elegant as well depending on what you do with it. This one was $3.50. I'm pretty surprised, but if you could see, it's really nice. So also, like, I'm probably going to use this as a base and to probably make something on top, but I also don't want to completely hide this design as well. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to kind of have the best of both worlds. I also forgot I bought this as a part of the Easter decoration. So it's a little flower and it has purple Easter eggs on it too. I really liked the color. Again, lots of glitter. So I'm gonna be using this with my Easter decoration. And I saw this rose gold basket and I just had to have it right away. It was so cute, super cute. And this one was, I believe, $4. Yep, this one was $4, and it's a fruit basket, but you can basically use it for so many different things, and it's so beautiful. And you could use it for fruits, you can use it to, you know, keep maybe like your makeup or your items. I'm going to use it for decor, but this is really, really nice. I wouldn't mind having something like this in my bedroom as well. So similar to this, I also got a similar basket, but this one is just rectangular, and it's really cool because it has this big spacing on the side as well. This is really nice. This one is also $4. So this one is marketed as an organizer versus this one that's marketed as a fruit basket, but both of them have the same functions. You can also use this as a fruit basket if you want, but a lot of cool things you could do with this, and it's just really nice and elegant. And I think with some florals this would look really nice, so I think I will do something with florals for this one. So the next thing on our list is this huge canvas that I bought from Dollarama. I think this is the biggest size that they have. It is 18 by 24, and it was $4. And I do want to use this to use for an entrance table, maybe make a welcome sign, but also with the items that you can yourself buy from Dollarama and make it for your wedding as well. So I do plan to make something really pretty with this, maybe use those gold letters. And I bought, so Dollarama now has those clear containers that I've been buying from Walmart basically for at a much lower price. They still don't have the big containers, but honestly, it's Dollarama. I feel like what does Dollarama not have, or what it will not have in the future? So I'm surprised, but I'm not surprised that they have these clear containers now. So I did buy a bunch of them to basically organize some of my florals that I got. I do want to organize them in different colors, so I did buy a bunch of them. So this is actually a smaller one that I got, and this one I do know what I want to put in it. I want to put some leaves in it, and I think it'll be a perfect size. So this one was $4. The other ones I got were a bit bigger. Let me just grab these. These are all the lids. So I bought 4 containers. I'll just take one out to show you. Struggles. This is the container, and this is the lid. I bought myself 2 white lids and 2 blue lids so I can just kind of have different color lids. So this is the size, and I think this is going to be the perfect amount to keep some of my florals in, so I can keep them separated without having a million big boxes. So I bought 4 of these, and I do plan to organize all my decor hopefully in the next coming weeks. And I almost forgot, I bought, so this one actually I believe, yeah, it comes with lights. And it does take, oh my god, it takes 4 batteries. That's the only thing about all these things at Dollarama. There's so many things, and they all take like a million batteries. So that's the one thing I should have bought actually in my Dollarama trip, more batteries. So this is really cute. Size in between is actually perfect enough to maybe put a vase through it and maybe put some florals in it. So, and the last thing I have on my list of items that I bought was this really, really cute bin. It's so nice. Look what a nice print it has. It's basically like that bigger ones but smaller, with these really cute handles and this really nice print. It came in 2 colors, one with this white print and one with like a darker charcoaly color design, but I really love the pink, not the pink, sorry, the white. I thought it looked really elegant, and with florals or something in it, it would look super cute. So I just really like the way this looks, so I really just fell for it. Sorry everybody, there's one more item that I forgot. I did buy this cute little cup that says cheers on it. I do plan to use it with the bridal decor, whatever I do with that one. So I do plan to use that, but this was really cute. I think in the past I have seen ones that say bride or bridesmaids on it, so that's really cute, but they're normally in the cups and like cups and plates area instead of where the bridal stuff is. So always have a look there as well to see if you see anything that's in the theme that you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching my first video. I hope you guys can hear me okay and see me okay and everything was clear. If it was not, I apologize. I am still learning with my videos and trying to improve over time, but thank you so much for following and watching and staying tuned in. I do hope to make more videos of my shopping hauls and all these items. I do plan to make it a goal to use every single item here in the next couple of videos, so stay tuned, and thank you. Please like and subscribe and comment below if there's anything specific that you want to see, or if you got any ideas from any of the items that I've shown and maybe want to see me make it. Definitely leave a comment below, and have a great day everyone.